Hey guys, look at this looking Malabar spinach leaves. Hey guys, hope you're all doing well. I know I'm not a very active person on YouTube as compared to Instagram, but since we are a 10k family on YouTube, I thought I should start doing some justice to all the 10k followers and show you some detailed recipes, some lifestyle videos, and this is a start. So I'm gonna start a new series, I can say. By the way, this is our vegetable patch at our house. We have a small, I could say small vegetable setup, vegetable garden. And if you've been following me consistently on Instagram, you all would know that I do post a lot about the vegetable patch we have. So I'm starting a series where I harvest something from my vegetable garden and make something out of it. Let me show you some of my produce. Look at this ivy gourd, how cute this looks. And today I'm planning to harvest some Malabar spinach and make a recipe out of it. So that's my plan. So let's see how it goes. Look at these cuties. Don't know if you can see, but yeah, here you go. Before that, I would like to show you guys our dragon fruit. Look at these cuties. Look at that. Okay, the star of today's show is Malabar spinach. We usually make dals out of it and it's super duper yummy. Today I'm planning to make something different. So let's get harvesting these cute leaves. Look at how glossy they are, like so pretty. They're like, plastic leaves. Look at them, so pretty. So let's make something nice out of these gorgeous looking Malabar spinach leaves. So today we have a visitor. I'm trying to be as quiet as possible. We just disturbed their 4 p.m. snack time. Look at this one. Weird camera angles. So let's start harvesting it. Just simply look at that. I'm not kidding. It's so pretty, like so damn gorgeous. Let's go and make something nice. So I've washed the spinach leaves thoroughly and now let's chop it into half. You don't really have to do it if you have small Malabar spinach, but this one is really big, so I've chopped it. I'm making a stir fry today with the Malabar spinach because dal is something we usually make, so I'm going to try making a stir fry. And I'm going to finely chop some garlic, mince some garlic, and then we would need some mushrooms for it because mushrooms add great volume and taste to the stir fry. You can use any mushrooms you like. I'm using button mushrooms because it's easily available. So our veggies are chopped and ready. I'm using an iron wok. Iron wok gives you a good taste. Not only that, it is healthy to cook in iron wok, so make sure that whenever possible you get to cook in iron woks. So first dry fry the mushrooms until the water is out, and once the water dries up, add some olive oil, dry red chilies and garlic. Nicely stir fry until you get a beautiful aroma out of it, and then finally add the spinach leaves. Now you have to stir fry on high heat till the spinach leaves start wilting, and then add little salt and half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and stir fry. And your stir fry is almost ready. So once it's nicely stir fried, you can switch off the flame and there you have it. Make sure you add very less salt to this because our soy sauce is already salty. I forgot to add toasted sesame seeds. Make sure you add it because it adds so much flavor and makes the stir fry more interesting. So let's taste the stir fry now. It's super hot. Oh my god, this tastes so good. You guys should definitely try this if you get Malabar spinach. So until the next video, bye.